Okay guys, today is a Thursday night. I'm at our garden. I'm going to try to show you how I am eating good salad. Wow, toast, huh? Toast. Oh, you drink on here. Oh my god. Why so slow? Okay, I'm going to show you how to eat good salad. Look at how fast salad is here. And it's a good way, but most important thing. Why? What is it? Head to head? Head to head. Tuscan brain, head to head. Sure. That's Thursday. I love salad from out of garden right here. This is so good. A lot of right, let's try to grab some. Tomato. Okay, good for now. And this bread right here, very hot and fresh.
Get a glass as well.
A glass?
Yeah.
Your beer coming. Cheers. Happy Thursday after exercise. That's not very good to drink wine and beer after exercise.
Oh, well.
Alright, but I do anyway. Who care? One night to live, right? Gotta do it. Alright. You know, salads with I love salads over here because the dressing's very good. I'm gonna let you know, not better than mine though. My dressing salad is the best, but that's the best over here. Look at you.
Let's see if they can live up to their name.
Look at the good bread, very fresh and hot. Eat now. This is green salad. You know, you come in here, all I wanna do. Black olive, so good. And the bread's so hot. Eat it right now. When you come in here, it's all about salad, bread. That's Italian restaurant. Bread, salad, and wine. It's fun. When you be hungry, with the chill yet? I'm getting tipsy already. Here, you know, hot people right here, very good salad. Right here, good salad. Love red onion. I love red onion. So refreshing. Really good, guys. This bread right here, so fresh. You know, when you live in the United States, we have so much food, meat, everything. But you know, I'm trying to eat the vegetable the best I can, because when you don't eat vegetable, too much meat is not very good for you. So you know, I try to eat the vegetable the best I can. You know, it's so much meat here, so that's what I have to do. I try to have some salad right here the best I can. Okay. spaghetti. Italian noodle. I don't want meat. I want just noodle and tomato sauce. It's looking good. Why they don't give me cheese? Cheese topping, you know? And here you got the sample. Mushroom, stuffed mushroom, and calamari.
Mozzarella.
Alright, I say all that. I don't know how to say that. Alright, looking good. Okay, there you go. Okay, let me taste this my food right here. I'll let you know how that tastes good or not. You know, I'm a cooking, I'm a chef. But sometimes I wanna taste somebody else's food. Everyone blue moon, nothing wrong with that. But I love spaghetti. I do. That's what I'm gonna eat right now. Spaghetti, Italian noodle. You know where Italian noodle come from? You know where spaghetti come from?
No, where?
You don't know where spaghetti come from?
No, where?
China. Spaghetti come from China. China, who they make factory noodle from the beginning of the time. And then now Italian, when they taste it, they love it, and they buy a whole factory. This is a Chinese noodle, okay? Alright, that's why I tell you the story, okay? Because they love the noodle and they buy a whole factory. So they become the spaghetti. But this is Asian noodle, okay? I will let you know now. How about that? You know, I love spaghetti because tomato sauce. And they're so refreshing. Right there. It's very good. I love the sour taste. And the salad right here. So good. And enjoy drink wine. Try some of you. And what do you call? Calamari. Did with this like a tomato sauce something. Just like that. Oh yeah. So good. Sometimes everyone blue moon you can change the food taste. Nothing wrong with that. Cheers, one more time. Oh, you done?
Yeah, you might have to delete some stuff. You might have left it upstairs.
Are you mushroom?
It was such a
Very good.
Looking good. Wow. Stuffing with the cheese. This is mushroom. Oh yeah, looking good. This one sour pickle. Hot pepper but not spicy. Just a young pepper. Sour pickle. Hey God, the salad's very good. I'm gonna say that. Good. Refreshing and sour. Oh yes. Crunchy bread. Oh yes. Every bite is very good though. Spaghetti. Italian food. Look at the bread.
Yeah.
It's so fresh and good. My salad. Spaghetti. Stuffing mushroom. Chop, chop, chop. There you go. This is stuffing mushroom. Seafood. It tastes good.
You make it right.
Oh yeah, it's very good. See about the gel McLean with set noodle. That's good. Hey guys, spaghetti is good. Cannot complain. So let I finish the whole bowl. I can't complain. Food's good. Thumbs up.
Bottoms up.
Alright. Have a good good time out of garden, guys. Thumbs up.
Happy Thursday.
Yep, happy Thursday. Okay guys, the food's good. Thumbs up. So I see you next video. Alright, thank you guys. See you later. Bye.